Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Muhammad Salman. I was doing course front-end web development for the 2.5 months. I finished my course, so I make a little bit my little project about I use HTML, CSS and Java, and I make a Skyways more about the airline and ticketing. So there I have a 5 tabs like a home page, about us, tour, packages and contact us. I make this little bit. So I make my thing little short. Just want to share my experience about DNY. This is a tremendous institute. They teach very nice. I think the staff is very cooperative. I love the way they teach. I go a lot of countries, UK, US, Africa, Nigeria, Harare, but I think this one of the most best. I try to learn, they teach very nice. I recommend the people, they want to learn IT or they want to take part or they want to in a computer field. I think there's a very good experience. If they join, they're gonna love it and they're gonna enjoy. Thank you very much.